wood repair. Hi, I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Tap here to get started. Who should we decorate for first? Zadie, Malik, Junjun, or Ellie? Tap to choose. My sister Zadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Soccer balls, piñatas, jack-o'-lanterns. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Jack-o'-lanterns. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button when the hole is filled. Hooray! You worked it out! Zadie loves jack-o'-lanterns. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? You got it! Can you fill another one? Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Tap the arrow button to try the next level. Or press this button to play this level again, a different way. Wow, this is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. Yes, we made it all the way across the road. The neighborhood looks so nice. And Zadie is so happy. Who should we decorate for next? My brother Malik. Here are some of his favorite things. Trumpets, apple stickers, rubber ducks. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Apple stickers. Let's use triangles to fill these holes. Which triangle would fit in this hole? We made it! Malik loves apple stickers. How could you fill both of these holes? Do we need to take out any shapes? Great problem solving! Fill one hole at a time. holes are the same. Could you use different shapes to fill each hole? You filled all the holes. Wow, look at all these decorations. Malik's going to love them. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Junjun. Here are some of his favorite things. Guitars, bubbles, autumn flags. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Autumn flags. How could we solve the big problem of filling these two holes? Oh yeah, you solved the problem! Junjun loves autumn flags. Break down this big problem. Start by filling one hole at a time. Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Snout thinks there are lots of different ways we could fill these holes. Try filling one hole at a time. You filled all the holes. Another big problem. How can we fill these two holes? Great problem solving! Junjun loves all these special decorations. Now let's decorate for Ellie. My friend Ellie. Here are some of her favorite things. Fire trucks, waffle stickers, autumn leaves. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Autumn leaves. Ooh, more triangles. Let's use these shapes to fill these holes. We made it! Ellie loves autumn leaves. Which hole would you like to fill first? Yes, we made it all the way across the road. What do you think we can do to solve this big problem and fill these holes? Let's work it out. Hooray! You worked it out! Wow! We're almost done! Can we solve this big problem one hole at a time? solved the problem! Awesome decorations! Ellie adores them! We made the neighborhood look extra special, and everyone's so happy! Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way!